your view on our autonomy that we are clamoring since 1987. I am 34 years old now. 30.
I've been there since the beginning.
Yeah.
Oo.
Do you think we can attain that one?
No, I believe that it takes process nga talaga, no?
Mm-mm.
Because idi na-reject niya duwa. I was there.
Yes.
No, because ano diay nga the first proposal organic akat na-reject, no? Mm, specialty baguette because of the provisions.
Mm.
They always equated it with palwet.
Oh,
And then the peacekeeping forces, CPLA, kung ano
CPLA,
yan.
yeah.
Kung the leaders tayo tibangit ilikan da palispis, dagita da nga dadam mo ha.
Mm.
And inya tibagad da agad because kurang ti information dissemination.
Information
Dagita, that's what I observe. And then misinformation, disinformation, ado no inya tibaga ni no handa na awatan about the autonomy kat a campaign against. Palispis campaign against. Dango campaign against. Because awan, mataksan amin dagita da. I was there because I belong to the QAP. I was a neophyte mat idi eh. Cordillera Broad Coalition da kami kan nakusalad. Da Juan Ngalob, Bridget Hamada, ni late nga ni nagandan ni Janatayan Piman eh. Tao da balog dita. And when I was mayor, I had a up close and conversation with Balwag when he surrendered.
Yeah.
Ado nga ti CPLAD nga mambut-butong ti tagawangal idi. Tada jay, no. So napangkuhin ko with Colonel Akop idi nga who was the director ti kwa.
Ay, was that yung parang case na pupunta sila sa isang area and then
When ada yan kat
declared
mabutong ti tattao ta CPLA kat talagang questionable. So napanak jay Cordillera House idi nagsurrender. Kat iba ka dyan na ni mabut-butong ti tattao apay nga ada dagiti ida ijay. And then apay iya gamin ti kwam ti kayat mo maaramid iti Cordillera. You know, in Rwanda jay kwa dijay map ti Cordillera. Because diyan nga idi nga so nag-rebel di at Anda Marcos idi nga about the
Selophil.
Selophil dijay Jabra. Kalang ada di operasyon mo yung dagita idi during the martial law dagita da. So in-explain na amin dagita da na binilib ko mo ta vision ng mga development. Kasi development kung kunana. That's why I supported him and then nagayum kami na inanak ko pa ti bunyag di anak na ni first child da. So kadi jay I was supportive of him na nga di ada maganti vision na.
What was he like as a leader?
He has the charisma and he has the mamati mat. Ada di trust and confidence mat. The katapi mana was NPA di ba? So di ada di peace pact. So being a priest, former priest niya, maybe nakita damot adi di values na. No? Apay nga, kundi isa na mo ti nangilid with others to struggle, no? Nga, apay nga kasultar rami ng gobyerno. So, no, awan isuna piman and the others, but I still regard awan isuna hang awan day to autonomy because di may sanga dawat na kad autonomy, regional autonomy for
Cordillera.
better progress, kakasjay, no. Taag progreso tayo mat and we are mostly dito indigenous communities tayo, kasjay. And we have our own culture, our identity, kakasjay mo ito na. The indigenous people gamin kat one of the sectors nga marginalized. Yeah. But we are happy here in the Philippines because ada di IPRA tayo. Ada di IPRA. And then ado pa tida do mga laws recognizing the rights of the indigenous people or the other marginalized sectors, the women, the PWDs, kakasjay niya. So, dijay, di masapran kita antay mo in the bill, are we responding to inya the problema tayo toy? Are we really that united?
Yeah, right.
El Maestro Speaks Podcast.